And this is what happens when you give a dog maple syrup. They were seriously, like how much you have? You like the whole bottle. You almost got the whole bottle. This is how psycho he's being right now. See, this is how nuts my mom's dog's being. And look what he's done to the house so far since we've had him. We've only had him for like 2 days. It has been 2 days, right? No. This dog is 4 kinds of psycho. All because he got into a bottle of maple syrup. It's actually kind of funny, really. Don't worry, your head's not in the shot, Grandma. Right now, as you can see, he's playing with my grandma. He's a psycho little shit, ain't he? Psycho puppy. Hey, Spazomat. What you doing? Spazomat. Murphy. I admit, ever since I started posting funny dog videos, I want to. My fans have been going through the roof with hundreds of. Whoa. Yeah, this is what happens when you give a dog maple syrup. It's just too funny. He's already hyper enough. We're trying to burn off some of his energy after he got into a bottle of maple syrup. We don't know how the hell he found it, but he found it. Which only went about a month. Oh, darn it, Murphy. Murphy, come here. Go on, do it. As you can see, this dog is not. As you can see, this dog is not normal. Whereas my family never has normal. Ow! Little shit just bit me. He's actually lying on my can actually do this. Not for very long.
Where are you finding all my gloves, my mitts?
He's a dog. Boston Terriers are bred to find rats in houses. Murphy, crate, come on. There's no problem going in the crate. See you next time, folks.